I'm Courtney Wright. I graduated from Battle Mountain High School in Vail, Colorado. I'm completing my engineering science degree. I have goals to pursue an aerospace degree, and so this has helped me to pursue that goal. There were a lot of different things that pulled me in. First of all, I really like the campus, the whole environment. The program was the main draw, though. Engineering science with space concentration definitely had what I was looking for. I wanted a degree that I could pursue later on and go into the aerospace department, and that just really pulled me in. You get to take courses in mechanical, civil, electrical. You just get a really broad spectrum of what engineering is. Since I was little, I've wanted to be an astronaut, so I've always had this goal of going to space, and this degree is just a good start for that. Basically, it set me up with an internship with NASA for this summer, so I'll be going there for course of the summer, and then I'll be going on to grad school. There's a lot of ties at CSU through NASA. They've got the NASA Space Grant Consortium. There's Kent Rominger, who was a previous CSU graduate, and I've kind of been trying to follow in his footsteps a little bit and get there myself. Professors are great, and especially being in the engineering science department, you get to take courses in all the different areas, so you get the best professors of each one. There's definitely projects that you get to work on, and that's one of my favorite things. I've really enjoyed senior design, which we just finished, and I actually got to do a project designing a lunar habitat. Senior design was a big project to take on, first of all. That's probably one of the toughest things, I guess, throughout your engineering career, but it's great working with other students, I think, and you don't just do it in group projects. I mean, we have study groups all the time. That's really how you get through engineering. You develop a really core group of friends or group within engineering, and you just support each other. I mean, you'll have the same courses all the way through. I know the same kids that I knew freshman year, and we're all graduating together, so it's a great experience, I think. I mean, you learn a lot from each other. You can't just take your knowledge and go through engineering. You definitely have to pick from other people, and I wouldn't go anywhere else for undergrad just because I had such a positive experience coming here. But I guess, I don't know, more than anything, I think it's the community and the program that they have set up. They have a really strong engineering program, and I think that employers will recognize that. Being a member of the University Honors Program, there are a lot of benefits. First, you get priority registration, so you get to register for all your classes early. You get smaller class sizes if you choose to do courses within the honors department. I know that there are some required courses that you have to take within your major that are honors courses, but those are usually really positive experiences. They might be a little bit more difficult, but you definitely get a lot more out of the smaller class sizes. Fort Collins in itself has a ton of stuff to do. I actually played for a CSU women's lacrosse team last fall and this fall. And then intramural sports are great because they don't take up a ton of time, especially in engineering. You need some balance there. You can't just study all the time. Even though people think that that's what we do. There's definitely intramural sports. I mean, there's stuff all over town. I play on a women's ice hockey team, too. There's club teams outside of the university. There's clubs that you can go to if you need a break. I mean, the campus is just great. It's really pretty. There's skiing, snowboarding, whatever you want to do on the weekends. There's mountains right behind you. So there's a lot of stuff to do.